Removing a background from a photo is one of the things many years ago was really, really difficult to do. But now Photoshop has it, there's a bunch of online tools that have it, but even Preview on the Mac has it. That's right, a free application that comes with your MacBook. So I'm going to just go and download a photo from Envato Elements. I am a member of this service, but they're not sponsoring me, by the way. So let's just go grab a picture. Let's grab this one here. If a guy looks like he's playing a saxophone. All right, let's download that picture. Now, being a Mac, the first thing it's going to do once this picture is actually downloaded is open it in the Preview program. Now, if we want to remove the background, that would be rather a complex task without specialist applications. But in the Preview, if we go up to Tools, we've got an option here to remove the background. So let's give that a click. In fact, you can see what it's doing. It's actually outlining what it thinks to be the background. That's a nice touch. Let's click Remove Background. As you see, it first asks us, do we want to convert this to PNG, because PNG adds transparency. So let's convert it. Boom, background's gone. Now for a free inbuilt app within the OS, that's a pretty cool thing. So there you go. That's how to remove a background on an image just using the Preview application on your Mac. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, do that sort of stuff. It's great. Helps me out. Thanks for watching, guys. And you have a wonderful day.